everyone. A very warm welcome to everyone. Today we have a very special guest. सुखविंदर इनका नाम है. ये इंग्लैंड से हैं. बाय प्रोफेशन ये एक टीचर हैं. ये बेसिकली 3 से 5 साल के बच्चों को नर्सिंग करती हैं और बहुत सारे इन्होंने अपनी लाइफ के अंदर एंजल्स की मदद के साथ अपने एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं, अपनी लाइफ को बेहतर से बेहतरीन किया है. तो चलिए जानना शुरू करते हैं कि किस तरह से एंजल उनकी लाइफ में आए, कैसे उन्होंने एनकाउंटर किया, किस तरह से अपनी लाइफ को बेहतर से बेहतरीन बनाया. बहुत स्वागत करता हूं मैं आपका सुखविंदर.
Hello, hi Nitinjit. It's me Sukhvinder and I'm from England. And मैं 3 से 5 साल के बच्चों के साथ स्टडी करवाती हूँ उनकी. And I'm so busy woman, which is always other. I know it's all women are busy. I got my 3 children. मेरे पास 3 children हैं and it's quite really busy life seriously. मैं जैसे अपने आप के लिए अपने टाइम नहीं निकाल पाती थी पहले. Then last year it was a furlough. I was on a furlough because COVID चल रहा था. I got plenty of time. Suddenly everything back slowly normal. Then in January time, because I know a little bit about Archangel Michael, I found out by you. That's what I'm telling. I was looking Archangel Michael, on the online, Google it, but can't find nothing like proper way. And मैं आपको YouTube पर मैंने उनका डाला कि Archangel Michael videos. Then आपकी videos में आई. I said let's try. मैंने आपकी video देखी. I was so impressed. आपकी video unique लगी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कि मैं impressed हुई कि मुझे करना है. और उसमें आपने डाला था free angel course. तो मुझे जानना था. मुझे सिर्फ आर्कएंजल माइकल के बारे में पता था क्योंकि उनकी मदद से मुझे किसी ने बहुत पहले किसी ने बताया था कि प्रॉब्लम चल रही है आपकी फैमिली में तो आर्कएंजल माइकल को ऐसे अफर्मेशन करो तो ठीक होगा. तो इट वाज इम्प्रूव लाइक लिटिल बिट. Then that's it. I saw your video and then I did some free angel course. Then in the end you said if you want to join 4 process 9 process courses, then I was really doubt मैं करूँ या ना करूँ. मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को फोन किया. मेरा दिल कर रहा है कि मैं करूँ but I'm not sure. I don't know. I want he said think about it. That's your choice. I'm not stopping. आप क्या चाहती हो जैसे वैसे कर लो. तो मैंने वही आर्कएंजल माइकल कहा कि मुझे ना कुछ क्लू दो कि मैं करूँ कुछ हैप्पीनेस. I love snow. There suddenly snowfall. Then I said no, that's it. I have to do it. So I did your I applied for your first your basic angel course. Then I found out 15 different type of angels. Then I was telling my children you have to do for your study from sleep before this do this angel. It was a little bit difficult learning all angels' names. But it was really exciting. I saw a little bit changing in my life. I feel a little bit positive. Plus, used to be I was really angry woman. Like busy आप होते हो तो आपको anger भी आता है कि और this काम ये रह गया वो रह गया घर का काम सारा so busy. Then एक बार मैंने फिर सोचा कि ना चलो do 9 process का मैं लेती हूँ थोड़ा और मुझे जाना है. तो it was difficult about money क्योंकि फैमिली में होता है आपको बच्चों का भी सारा कुछ देखना है एंजॉयमेंट करना है सारा कुछ एंड प्लस टाइमिंग का तो बहुत ही ज्यादा था. तो मैंने सोचा कि नहीं वेट करती मुझे कुछ और क्लू चाहिए कि अगर मैं करना है मुझे तो मुझे क्लू चाहिए एंजल मुझे आप देना. Then it was a really heavy snow that day. मैंने actually मैं that time I was struggling about the car, looking a new car. तो मुझे कुछ अच्छी नहीं लग रही थी. तो मेरी सिस्टर ने मुझे लिफ्ट देनी थी काम के लिए. तो मैंने कहा नो आज मुझे वॉक करके जाना है क्योंकि I feel like go to walk. I don't know, it's silly, it's really slippery. मैंने क्यों सोचा वॉक करके जाना है. That's it. I crossed the road. Just 2-3 मिनट हुए थे. It's really mud में मुझे 5 pound का नोट मिला. It's a 5 pound but जैसे आप इधर मिलना is easy है ना. You can see 1 pound penny आपको मिल जाएगी. 5 pound का नोट in a mud तो मैंने पिक कर लिया। मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को फोन किया, मैं कहा मुझे ना वेरी नाइस वॉक करने के लिए 5 पाउंड का ना, पीपल निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से, उनको नहीं दिखा। ठीक है, फिर थोड़ी देर बाद उसी टाइम ही लाइक 5-10 मिनट बाद मैं आगे गई, 5 पाउंड का नोट, अनदर 5 पाउंड, बिल्कुल क्लीन वन, कॉर्नर पर पड़ा था ऑन द फुटपाथ। आई कांट बिलीव, मैं क्रॉस कर रही हूँ, मतलब अनदर 5 पाउंड वेटिंग फॉर मी। मतलब आई थिंक दिस इज अ एंजल साइन फॉर मी, just showing me I have to do more. Seriously, Ritinji, I feel I got plenty of time for myself. Or like in early morning when I wake, I always want angel. I want to be my day long so I can finish my old work, spend time with kids, spend time with my husband, and my work, doing my work, everything. And I'm doing. Even I bought it to pet now. Seriously, I'm spending time with everybody. Really,
Lovely,
really
lovely,
happy.
lovely. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। मुझे बताइए एंजल्स के साथ आपके क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहे?
Angel के साथ experience, obviously I start learning from you 9% about tarot card, Reiki healing, and angel healing especially. It's really work, angel healing. Seriously, I never stop doing angel every day, 9 healing in the evening or morning, anytime I choose, because anytime you can do. When I feel okay, I do my healing. Is for last time. Um, it was my mum case going in a court. So it was stuck somewhere, but we don't know the lawyer was not good. We thought he's doing his job properly, that's fine. But with the angel healing, when I said I want to, जैसे जल्दी हो मम्मी का काम, तो मैंने angel healing लगाई, तो उससे पता चला वो तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा, nothing doing. Then I don't know, suddenly with the 10-15 days, the case start working. Still case going through, but we know positive result coming soon. We know definitely. And that time I said, let's try money on a shares. So I put some 500 pounds, just a 500 pound in a starting. I never put money in a share. So let's try with a little amount. So it's nothing going through because you need plenty of time when you're doing share market with your money. My husband's really busy. I'm really busy. Can't check which shares shall we buy or not. Then I said, I think our money is stuck. But no, not stuck. I know one angel healing stuck money. Just it. I put Nitinji, can you believe it? After 3-4 healing, my money back, and state where I apply for your angel symbol healing course. I said, this is my money for angel symbol healing, angel symbol course, sorry. Then it's really worked. Then also I'm doing for my sister's son, healing for his health. It's improving. I can see difference. Can see, yeah, definitely. Amazing.
मुझे बताइए कि आपका किस तरह से एनकाउंटर हुआ आर्कएंजल माइकल के साथ?
Archangel Michael, seriously, I feel like you are Archangel Michael. मैंने आपकी वीडियो देखी थी ना, तो मैं आपको Archangel Michael ही कहती मैं seriously.
Always blessings, always.
कभी नहीं देखा नितिन Archangel Michael को. मुझे कोई आंटी है, उन्होंने keep living in an angel, यहीं पर ही है वो, but उन्होंने मुझे जब बताया था, but आर्कएंजल माइकल के थ्रू से ही मैंने आपको ही फाउंड किया है. नोवेल सच्ची में मैंने a lot वीडियो देखी है, but I'm saying to other lady, I know all women is busy, they are busy, they have to do this course if they want to be see a true life. क्योंकि life, I'm not saying life small, you make your life journey is really more amazing if you're joining your course.
Right.
And
right.
plus when we're doing your meditation, you can feel where you can go that time. Never did meditation before, but your meditation is absolutely.
ओके, तो आप कह रही हैं इससे पहले आपने कभी मेडिटेशन नहीं किया था, लेकिन जब से आप इस कोर्स में आए उसके बाद से आपने मेडिटेशन करना शुरू किया, एंड देन यू फील कनेक्टेड विद एंजल्स.
Yes, definitely.
Lovely.
Meditation, इंग्लिश के ऊपर करते हैं मेडिटेशन, दे डूइंग डिफरेंट वे। मैंने यूट्यूब पे काफी, वो चीज नहीं मुझे मिल पा रही थी, क्योंकि मुझे है कि मुझे लाइफ का रूल फॉलो करनी है। एंड मेरे दिमाग में आ गया था, अगर मेरे पास 100 पाउंड है, अगर मैं स्पेंड करती हूँ, अगर मेरे लक में 100 पाउंड है तो 100 पाउंड दोबारा मिल जाएगा, मुझे स्पेंड करनी है वो मनी, है ना, अगर मेरे लक में है तो व्हाई आई एम नॉट यूजिंग ऑन अ राइट वे।
राइट राइट, लवली लवली लवली। मुझे बताइए कि आपके अंदर कौन कौन से चेंजेस को आपने ऑब्जर्व किया है, किन किन प्रॉब्लम्स को या चैलेंजेस को, स्पेशली जब आपको लगता है कि मेरे पास ये प्रॉब्लम थी सर और अब 9 स्टेप के पास वो खत्म हो चुकी है।
I'm really confident because soon I found your course. I was a room leader in my job. Then now, actually, I started my promotion job. But I feel like I need desired job better than no promotion. A desired job, like I want to be life coach in my future, like you. Then I stopped my that evening. But that in my work, suddenly that post not going through, the person is not never going to believe. And last week he said he's leaving, and they're offering me that job for deputy manager. I really want, I'm really in stuck, but I think I'm going for this job, definitely. But my future is life coach. I want to help all people.
Lovely, lovely. So one thing you're talking about, कि earlier you had no confidence, but because of these courses, you had built your confidence. Okay, this is the one thing. What about other changes you have find yourself?
I'm more stressless, and obviously in lockdown time, I think lots of people gain weight. मैंने मुझे भी होता, you can't go back to gym because lazy पन आ गया था. But I start, जैसे आपने जैसे बताया angel symbol में कि do it in the morning. So I said angel symbol draw, and I want to be energy for go gym, and I want to back my routine. That's it. I'm keep going for gym. I don't know, 4 o'clock. I'm waking up 4 o'clock, and I'm feel more energy. Also, I wasn't vegetarian before. I'm vegetarian. No one pushed me. I'm
Okay.
do it vegetarian. I'm so like from inside positive. If someone give me a problem, I want to solve that problem. Even last time, my daughter was saying last week, Mom, I'm not feel like confident in my class. You did the parents NLP course, the counseling. I did with her. With the one counseling, he said, Mom, I feel confident.
Oh.
I said, just a what? Can't believe. I said, I just, because how you said it, say it like this.
Lovely.
That's it. I wrote it quickly then with her.
Very nice. So you are saying कि आपके laziness के जो पैटर्न थे वो भी खत्म हो गए, अब आप मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठने लग गई, आपने नॉनवेज भी सारा अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली आपका छूट गया, और द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट आपके अंदर अब हमेशा पूरे दिन एनर्जी रहती है, राइट? Lovely, very nice, very nice. What about like the things you had already told कि मैं चीजों को पहले टाल देती थी, procrastinate करती थी, अब नहीं करती?
Yeah, अगर पहले मेरे पे था दिमाग में कि अगर मैंने इसको करना है तो करना है एक बारी, मुझे पता अगर मैं पीछे पड़ गई तो मैं कर लूंगी. वो लेजीनेस होती है, वो आपको नहीं पुश करती. बट एंजल्स हैं जो आपके अंदर एनर्जी लाती हैं, जो कि आपको पुश करती हैं. I'm just saying to all women, we are so busy. I know. If you have to do this course because you need your real life, if you not did it this course, you can't. You don't know about what's the life. That life is so busy with family, work, cooking. No, you need to know what's the real life. Seriously.
Lovely, lovely. What kind of message you want to give the women in the society?
If you love yourself, do 9% course. Oh, seriously, if they love themselves. I keep thinking, why not I had your course last year when I was in lockdown time on a furlough. Probably in this year, probably I'm a life coach, but still I'm going to through probably next year soon. Definitely I'm saying to all lady, please join this course, because if you love yourself.
Lovely,
you love family.
lovely, lovely. What kind of message you want to the people जो अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट तो करते हैं बेसिक एंजल कोर्स से या 21 डेज एंजल मैनिफेस्टेशन प्रोग्राम से, बट इसको पूरी नहीं करते हैं, 90 स्टेप तक नहीं पहुंच पाते, उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I think probably some problems sometimes come होता है कि प्रॉब्लम आ गया, आप नहीं कर पा रहे, ये just affirmation, archangel Michael, archangel Raphael, help from them, that's it, definitely. And even sometimes I'm saying नितिन जी आपको याद करके कि प्लीज
always blessings, always.
वो पता क्या आपके नेचुरल आपके अंदर आ जाता है कि do it. It's like sometimes someone coming with like angel for you, and sometimes you do it. One more मुझे बताना है, लास्ट बैंक हॉलीडे था तो हमारी वॉशिंग मशीन स्पिन नहीं कर थी वाटर, सिली काइंड ऑफ. We rang machine company. They said we no coming, is bank holiday. We coming Tuesday. I said I need my clothes. Definitely we can't open the door. I said I told my husband. I said yes, we need to sort it. Then we call other private company. They said no, we coming to see. And we said doesn't matter charging how much they're charging. At least we need stuff out. Then not be coming Tuesday or Wednesday, bank holiday. We not coming. We said that's fine. Then I said, just we have Bobby. I said, I can Michael, please. And your angel symbol is like a kashwa. I just draw and on the plug. I draw on the plug. Then I said, we need just to continue, continue. We have to take your water out. I to check some video on the YouTube. People show me how they did it. So I took out 2 socks in a pipe, was stuck. That's why washing machine wasn't working. Seriously. I said, that's the problem is solved. I said, I'm doing my removing house negativity healing starting from today. That's it. Then I start that teaching as well.
Wow, wow, wow. Always blessings, always blessings, always blessings. Do you really feel help after this 9-step process for your family?
Yes, I'm doing. My son got sometime problem, like it's no problem, like eat quick, eat a lot, then in night time he'll be sick. Then I start doing angel healing health issue. Then soon is a 21 day, before 21, his problem is solved. That's it. I took that money, give to charity. Then he's fine, absolutely. He's got corn under the feet. Obviously, you have to treat it from doctor. I know doctor. I'm not saying it's wrong, but it's only little. I don't want to take him to doctor. Take out corn. Then I did heal with his foot corn with the angel healing. He's healed properly. He was really surprised. Mommy, my corn is gone. I can run properly now. I can do all activity at school. So definitely you need to advanced angel 9 process and angel symbol course. Really worth it. आपके course के बारे में मेरे relative are they saying we can see changing in your inside. You like how you talking. They like to talk with me when I'm on the phone. They're asking some what we do for this. They know I'm doing. I say I'm not finished my course. I'm still doing. I'm still practicing. But they're asking. People like to talk with you. I can feel. Even they're saying you a lot changing coming. You. I was so aggressive woman before.
Really, okay, fine. आपको पहले बहुत गुस्सा आता था. You are very aggressive.
Like obviously with children, you get mess quickly. I said, oh, why that this mess? No, I did just cleaning. I don't want to carry on do it. No, I said carry on, do it. Doesn't matter. Used to. I think. I think I'm used to now, probably. No, I'm solving my problem with angel. That's why. Very nice, very nice. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. I feel very good when the people are saying that I have transformed this emotions. I had managed these emotions. I have mastered this emotion. This is one of the, what I must say. I feel always bliss.
I feel like the target accomplished. I feel like the helping with the transformation of the peoples, which actually I have seen. Always blessing, Sukhvinder. Thank you so very much for coming in the show, motivating and inspiring the peoples with your with your stories, with your achievements, with your angels experiences. Thank you so very much.
Thank you very much, Nitin ji. Thank you.